US indices, after a little drop yesterday, have pulled back sharp. Specifically, the Tech 100 has again seen the records here, while S&P is also starting to pull up, and US is not far behind. Can we say that the markets have reversed? Can we expect a pre-FOMC move where the rally has to be there, or the highs are done and there is fear in the markets where the correction should begin? So, what should be our strategy in order to profit trading the S&P 500, NASDAQ 100, and Dow Jones? We're gonna see here with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to deliver twice a day updates for the indices. First with the Asia and Europe session, next with the US session. Subscribe, press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into S&P, followed with Nasdaq, then Dow. Watch till S&P 500 on the early charts. See the drop here. It is retraced. Earlier in the day, I have mentioned only bullishness is above 64.10 and 64.2024 zone. It is showing a bit of a struggle here at 64.10. Now trying to show a pullback. At the same time, on the downside, the supports are pretty strong till towards 63.90, 63.80. And see what is happening after the drop. This is retracement, and once it trades now below 63.90, it should lead to a greater down move. Let's watch out for this. Stochastic overbought. The MACD has crossed over here. This is under retracement as of now, looking upwards. The RSI right now is trading with moderate bearishness. Coming to 2-hour charts, see the 2-hour charts, the support is created here. With that as support, we have seen the rise. Now trying to show pullback. I'll wait for it to stay below 63, 90, 95 zone in order to confirm the reversal. Else what's happening? This is a retracement and it should resume the downtrend again. Stochastic overbought. MACD trading with moderate bearishness, RSI flat. Coming to 3-hour chart, similar observation on the 3-hour charts, drop here, retracement, and now looking downwards. I'll wait for it to break out, either which ways, either on the downside or on the upside. Looking at the move, the drop was sharp, the retracement is gradual, it might resume the downtrend here, but I'll say it is still not confirming because see, we have already seen a good trend so far, and if you look at the move, see, this is still higher lows and higher highs, so it could bounce back, but I'll say you have to be cautious because see, I do see that the retracement and downside cannot be denied as of now. Stochastic overbought here, which also confirms further downside. The MACD confirms further downside. The RSI has dropped. And on the 4-hour chart, similar observation. Only thing here is it has to trade below this zone, 63.95, 63.80. Very, very good. On the 4-hour charts also, similar observation. It has to come out of this. It has to trade below 63.80 in order to confirm further dip. Stochastic rising. The MACD is bearish. RSI is bearish. Coming to daily chart. On the daily charts, see there was a gap up, reversal sign, lower highs. Today again it can show you a pullback here. Be watchful of this. Price are trading with little divergence from the 20 period. It can come down towards 20 period, which means it is not much of gap to cover on the downside. 6300 is where the 20 period is sitting, and this is also the next support level. Stochastic here is overbought. The MACD is flat. The RSI is overbought. So considering this, I'll recommend you to buy now if you see it is staying beyond 64.10, but with caution till towards 64 1820 first resistance, 64.26 the next, and then you can stay with the buys beyond this towards 64.40, 64.50. Beyond this, sky is the limit on the upside. It might head towards 6500 zone. It is still not yet confirming a complete bearishness. While on the downside, if you see it is staying below 63.95, stay with the sales, expect 63.85, 63.80. If that is taken, then 63.60 should be there very, very soon. In fact, 63.7 till 63.75, 85, this complete zone is critical. As long as this zone is not taken, you have to be careful. Below this, 63.60 is there. Below this, 63.48, 35, 63.20, and 63.100 are the targets. Trade accordingly. Let's move to NASDAQ. Tech 100 on the hourly chart. See this rise, then again a pullback. Now it is finding it difficult to stay bullish here, though it has seen or created new highs here towards 23,470. Now see, it is also delivering higher lows, higher highs. It can try to move towards 23,400 again, and the zone at 23,400, 380 is a very good support. This is the first support, and 23,300 is the ultimate one. If you look at Tech 100, see this, it is still staying bullish. The lows of this channel are close to 23,300 now, which you would like to achieve soon. Though the stochastic is overbought, the MACD under retracement and the RSI is overbought. Things are slightly overbought here on the hourly charts. Look at the 2-hour chart. See diminishing bullishness trying to reverse. It can try to erase the gains from this candle, which means it can move towards 23,400. Now 23,400, 380, 350, 300. Very, very good support till 23,300 exists. Things are slightly overbought and stochastic, while the MACD is still flat and top. RSI trading bearish. Look at 3-hour chart, similar observation, symmetrical move. And as long as now 23.4, 2400, 380 is not taken, you have to be careful with the sells here. And then 23, 350, 300 should appear. Stochastic is overbought, the MACD at the top, the RSI at the top as well. On the 4-hour chart, similar observation, we can see a symmetry, see the rise, retracement, rise, it could retrace. Let's watch out for this. And now the buying entry is only about 23,480, that is pretty clear. Stochastic overbought, the MACD flat, the RSI flat. Coming to the daily chart. Interestingly, on the daily charts, it is not yet confirming the bearishness here. See, higher highs are done. There is a possibility though that once it trades below 23,380, there will be a stronger pull towards 350, 300. And see, this is delivering higher highs as well. And below 23,300 is where the bears are waiting, and we can expect it to move towards 23,200. However, it is not yet confirming the reversal. It is still staying bullish. And if you now see Tech 100 trading beyond 23,480 and then 23,510, you can stay bullish. This time it can in fact move towards 23,600 zone very soon. The stochastic is overbought, the MACD is flat, the RSI is overbought here. So now before I give you the levels, if you're willing to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. It is very important for you to invest in learning and to such that you can identify, such that you can learn the tools, techniques and strategies which can help you identify the profitable trades with ease, which can increase your winning ratio, which can increase your profitability throughout your life. Join my mentorship batch. The next batch starts on 1st of September. Else you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram, where trading as per the signals you can profit. And also it is important for you to have a safer, trusted partner which offers you a swap-free account, lowest spreads, no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe. You can find the recommended broker link in the channel and video description. Now buying at this pretty clear, 23,480, expect 23,510, 520 first, 23,600 the second. I do not expect it to break 23,600, though these are markets. Anything and everything is possible. Beyond 23,600, sky is the limit. That is what I can say. On the downside, you can take a selling entry at 23,420 levels, but then 23,380, 400 is a very good support. Then 23,350 the next support, and then 23,300. Any drop below 23,300 is a sign of correction here. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Let's move to Dow Jones. See, US 30 on the hourly charts, after consolidating here, it is trying to break out. I'll wait for it to stay beyond 44,950. Earlier in the day also I have mentioned 44,950 is a crucial resistance. See this again. And now once it trades beyond 44,950, stay bullish for 45,000. Beyond 45,000 is where the bulls are waiting. Till 45,000, do not treat this as bullish. Notice what's happening. After the dip, it is trying to bounce back. But 44,950 is what you should wait for it to break beyond. Else it can drop again. The stochastic, MACD and RSI all are rising here on the hourly charts. Likewise on the 2-hour charts, after taking the support here, trying to bounce back. And yes, bullishness is only above 44,950. Else I treat this as a retracement and it could drop again. Yes, the indicators are rising, specifically the stochastic. The MACD has traded bearish enough. Wait for it to cross over for a buy. The RSI is rising. Look at 3-hour charts. Similar observation here. Taking the support, trying to break out, and now looking upwards. Yes, the indicators are rising. The moving averages have crossed over for a sell. The RSI is flat. On the 4-hour chart, similar observation. Taking the support from the 20 period, it is trying to break out on the upside. It is possible that it can deliver an up move, but yes, I can say it is also possible for it to deliver a down move, and hence I'll say till 45,000, do not treat this as bullish. And now on the downside till 44,780, 750, do not treat this as bearish. In fact, till 44,700, you have to be cautious. Stochastic is rising, the MACD is bearish, the RSI is flat. Coming to the daily chart. On the daily charts, an important point here is, see this, a top is created, it has shown a pullback, first red candle, so there is a possibility of a second red candle, which means there is a strong possibility of a move towards 44,600. Hence you have to watch out. If you see it is staying now below the stochastic has dropped, the MACD is still bearish, the RSI is flat. So if you now see it is staying below 44,850, 800 zone, stay short. See, below 44,850, you can stay short for 44,780, 800 at the first target zone, 44,700 at the next. Below 44,700, we can expect a greater down move towards 44,500 and lower levels. While on the upside, the buying entry has to be above 44,950 levels only, where you can expect 45,000, 45,100. And if 45,100 is taken, sky is the limit, stay bullish. We are looking forward to 45,200, 45,350 levels as well. Chances for which appears to be less, however, these are markets. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates. And join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session. Take your trades accordingly. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.